So hello guys, yeah, welcome. So today I will be going to start a chapter that is circles, which is very important for our IIT in IIT JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, and also for some of the state board exams. So this is one of the chapter with respect to coordinate geometry. So, firstly, starting with the definition of circle, a circle is defined as locus of points which moves in a plane such that its distance from a fixed point in that plane always remains constant. The fixed point is called center of the circle, and the fixed distance is called radius of the circle. And this is very basic definition that we are studying from our 10th or 11th class. So, firstly, when we are starting with the equation of circle, so when we are considering the equation of circle, the general equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, where g, f, c are constant. So when the coefficient of x square and y square is 1, both of the x square and y square coefficients are 1, then the below points will be considering when the coefficients of x square and y square are 1, then only the below points will be satisfied. So when the a is equals to b is equals to 1, then the center of circle is minus g comma minus f, that is minus half coefficient of x comma minus half coefficient of y. And when we are considering the radius of circle, the radius of circle is root over g square plus f square minus c. And the important point to remember here is that this will be applicable only when coefficient of x square and y square are 1, both are 1. And when we are considering the nature of circle, the nature of circle, when g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, then the radius of circle will be real. Therefore here it is possible to draw a circle on the plane when g square plus f square minus c is equals to 0, and the radius of circle will be 0. Such a circle is known as point circle. And if g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, then the radius root over g square plus f square minus c of the circle will be an imaginary number. Therefore, in this case, it is not possible to draw a circle. I hope you all understand these all these points, since these are all in simple English. So, the condition for second degree equation to represent a circle. That is, what are the conditions to represent a circle equation for a second degree equation? The condition for second degree equation to represent a circle. So when we are considering the first one, that is a is equals to b is equals to not is equals to 0, a and b should not be equal to 0. And second one, that is h is equals to 0. We know that the second degree linear equation will be ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Therefore, if it represents circle, then if it has to be represent a circle, then a is equals to b is equals to a and b should be equal, but it should not be equal to 0. And h should be equal to 0. And delta, that is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus es square should be also not equal to 0. And g square plus s square minus ac should be greater than or equal to 0. So these are the points regarding our basic forms, that is basic introduction for the circuit. So when we will now onwards, we will be stepping into the most important core of the circuits chapter, that is central form of equation of circle. Therefore, we have learned that some of the equation, that is the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of circle. But whereas when we are given with only the center of the circle, then how to find out the equation of circle? So that is the equation of circle when a circle having a center as h comma k and radius r is, so when we are given center, coordinates of center and as well as a radius, then the equation of the circle will be x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Otherwise, if we can also write, if the center is origin, that is 0 comma 0, then the equation will be becoming x square plus y square is equals to r square. X square plus y square is equals to r square, right? So so this is the one of the important equation that we'll be using in whole chapter. And when we are considering the circle on a given diameter, that is, if we are given with a if we are given with two endpoints of a diameter, then the equation of circle will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 will be equal to 0, and whereas the parametric coordinates, that is the parametric coordinates of any point on the circle, is for the circle which is represented by x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, then the parametric coordinates of any point on that circle would be h plus r cos theta comma k plus r sin theta. And if the equation of the circle is represented by x square plus y square is equals to r square, then simply the parametric coordinates will be r cos theta comma r sin theta. So as well as here we'll be also having the other case, that is the parametric coordinates of any point on the circle that is represented by the x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, or that is x is equals to minus t plus root over g square plus s square minus c cos theta, and y is equals to minus f plus root over g square plus s square minus c sin theta. If you keenly observe, you will notice that the here g square plus f square minus c is common term, whereas here also root over g square plus f square minus c is a common term, right? So we can find out that, so that is that nothing but radius of the circle, simply nothing but radius of the circle. And when we are considering uh, the equation of circle under given conditions, there here we will be having two, we will be left with the two conditions, that is equation of circle through three non-collinear points. When we are given three non-collinear points of the circle and we will be asked to find the equation of circle, then there will be two methods which will be following. One of the easiest method would be in respect to with the objective examination will be x square plus y square, the depth of this whole term. So you can copy it in your notebook, where a b c are three points, non-collinear points. So and the other method which we will be using in our ncrt textbooks and cbse textbooks and some state level textbooks, that is when we are given with three non-collinear points, we have to consider any two as extremities of the diameter of circle, that is s is equals to 0. There is nothing but s is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. C is equals to 0. That is s is equals to 0. In short notation, we will be writing s is equals to 0. That is s means, please remember that that is equation of the circle. So to reduce the length, we will be using this s directly. And if we and so firstly we will be considering the three non-collinear points of the circle, and we have to consider any two points as the extremities of circle, which is represented by s is equals to 0. That is nothing but I have already told you now. And when we are and so and let us consider this extremities of diameter on the circle as L is equals to 0. That is as we have got two extremities of circle, so we can form the straight line equation. From there we can write that s plus lambda L is equals to 0. Here s is the equation of circle and L is the equation of diameter, and here lambda is the parameter which can be found out by using the third point which we have left. So see here, once again keenly observe, we have given with three non-collinear points, but we are using only 2 points, as we are considering only 2 points as extremities of circle. So we are left with another point. That another point can be put in this in equation, and we can find out the equation of the circle. So here are some of the shortcuts or some special case in which this is especially useful for our objective exams, that is JE mains or JE mains, sorry, JE mains. So first one, that is if center of the circle is h comma k and it will be passing through the origin, means here the center of the circle is h comma k. When we are considering it as origin 0 comma 0, whereas the circle is passing like this such a way that it is touching the origin, but it is touching the origin and the center is at h comma k, then the equation of circle would be x plus x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to k square. Sorry, not that one, sorry, this one, that is x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equals to 0. Please remember it, x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equals to 0. So please remember that if and only when the circle is the center of the circle is at h comma k only, but it is passing through the origin, then the equation will be x square plus y square minus 2hx minus 2ky is equals to 0. And now another condition, that is if we are given with a circle touching x-axis, then the equation of the circle would be so it is nothing but easily we can identify that one. So yeah, mm, yep. Yeah. So then the equation of circle when the circle touches the only x-axis. So that is here the circle is touching the x-axis. Here the circle is touching at x-axis. So please remember that here it is plus or minus. Don't confuse by seeing it. So our we already I already told you the general equation when the center of the circle is given. So only remember that one. That is what I told. I told that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Earlier I told that equation. I will show you it once. Here I told you x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. Please remember that only. So here only you can write as plus only. Only plus. It is sorry, not plus, only minus. Only minus. Okay, only minus. So if the equation of circle, then the equation of circle which is touching the x-axis is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to k square. K square. Please remember that if it is touching x-axis, then it will be equal to y-axis related term. That is how it will be related. You can say that here y minus k means y and k are related. So as it is in same bracket, we can say that they both are related like that, in such a way that here also we can say that y minus k whole square is equal to k square, since the circle is touching x-axis. In the next condition, you can say that here the circle is touching y-axis. Therefore here that will be equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to h square, because as it is touching the y axis, we can say that it will be equal to h square, that is related to x. So it is simply vice versa. You can remember in such a way that, okay, so that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to h square. So you may get doubt that why here they are given plus or minus. That is simply because here they are considering all the four cases. That is, if the circle is in first case, second for second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So in such a way that they have, in order to reduce the length, they have given that plus or minus. But anyway, you have to remember that only x minus h whole square. If they have given for second quadrant, we already know that x. And here I know that x minus h whole square, that is x minus h, then it will be equal to x plus h whole square. I hope you all understand. So same way with y also. So in respective with them, so keeping mind, in keeping this matter in the mind, they have kept like that. But you only remember that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Please remember only that one. And in any case, you can remember that when there are x and h and y and k, you can keep only between them as minus symbol, that is subtraction symbol, and between those two terms will be plus. I hope you all understand. And if the circle touches both the axes, then the equation would be fine. Here the equation would be x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equals to r square, because here the circle is touching both the axes, both the axes. Therefore x minus r whole square plus y minus r whole square is equals to r square. And if the circle is touching x-axis at the origin, if the circle is touching x-axis at the origin, you can remember the x square plus y square minus 2ky is equals to 0. Since the circle is touching at x-axis at origin, therefore here as it is vice versa, I already told you, and then therefore we'll be getting 2k y term will be getting y term, that is x square plus y square minus 2k y is equals to 0. And if the circle touches y axis at the origin, you can say that x square plus y square minus 2xh is equals to 0. Isn't it right? Vice versa. That is, since the cycle is touching y axis, therefore the term will be related to x. Therefore, in such a way that you can remember. And it is very important one. Very important one. This condition is, that is this case, special important case, very important one. Don't forget this formula for, try to remember it. So if the circle passes through origin and cut intercepts A and B on both the axes, so here the circle is passing through both the axes, as well as it is also making the intercepts, that is A and B, on x and y axis respectively. So therefore in such a case, how we find the equation of circle? Then the equation of circle would be x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equals to 0. Then the center of circle would be a by 2 comma b by 2. I hope you all understand. You all understood. So yeah, okay, I will be also covering this also. Intercepts on the axis. So the length of the intercepts made by a circle x square plus y square. So let us consider a circle. So the length of the intercept made by the circle made by the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0 on x and y axis are 2 root over g square minus c and 2 root over f square minus c respectively. So here they are asking that the length of the intercepts that is made by the circle, which is represented by x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So let us consider a circle in such a way. So here it is making intercept a here. So I don't remember that. Let us consider it is making intercepts. So what is the length of the intercept? What is the length of the intercept? That is, what is the length of the intercept? So I can say that what is the length of the intercept? That is, intercept means this line. So this is the line. Sorry, this line. This line. The length of the intercept on this y-axis would be 2 root over s square minus c, and the length of the intercept that is on the x-axis 2 root over g square minus c. Yeah. So this is sorry, these points not too important. Okay, we can leave them. So here, yeah, this is one of the concept. It is not having any particular formula. It is just only concept in relative to JE mains and JE advanced also. So that is nothing but the least and greatest distance of a point from circle. Yeah, right. I hope you all understand. That is the least and greatest distance of a point from a circle. Let us consider a point A outside of circle, that is with coordinates x1 comma y1, and if the diameter of the circle is pq, and this pq is passing through a, then the least distance would be ap, isn't it? The least distance from the circle would be ap. Then what will be the greatest distance? The greatest distance would be aq, right? The greatest distance would be aq. So that's what they wrote here. What is the least distance? The least distance is equals to AP. AP means nothing but AC minus radius of circle, right? And the greatest distance would be AQ. AQ is nothing but AC plus radius, isn't it? AC plus radius, or AP plus 2R. AP plus 2R, isn't it? So that will be one of the important important concept which will be used for our objective examination. In respect to with objective examination only, I am speaking all these points. You can also use it for state board as well as, but it will be somewhat a bit more than state board level. So when we are considering the intersection of a line and circle, the length of the intercept that has been cut from the line y is equals to mx plus c by the line x, by the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square, is 2 root over a square into 1 plus m square minus c square by 1 plus m square. Yeah, this is also one of the not so important, but they may ask anytime, they may ask. So it is better to, when we are preparing for JE mains means, we have to thorough with all the topics, right? So we should not left out with any topic. So yeah, the length of the intercept that has been cut off from the line y is equals to mx plus c by the circle x square plus y square is equals to a square. Means here we are, when we are considering, here we will be considering circle as well as with respect to circle, we are also considering the line that is represented by y is equals to mx plus c. So let us consider a line that is y is equals to mx plus c. That is nothing but we all know that. So y is equals to mx plus c. The length of the intercept, right? So let us consider this as y is equals to mx plus c. So for your better understanding only, I am writing like this. Don't. So let us consider let us consider y is equals to mx plus c like this. So then here we'll be having that a circle in such a manner that in this way. So then when we are considering it in this way, then what is the length of the intercept? What is the length of the intercept that has been cut off from the line y is equals to mx plus c? We have already seen the case on x and y axis. But as well as when there is a line that is represented by y is equals to mx plus c, then what will be the intercept? Intercept means nothing but this line. This is known as intercept. What will be the length of this intercept? That is from the circle. This circle is especially represented by x square plus y square is equals to a square, right? X square plus y square is equals to a square. The length of the intercept would be how much? What will be the length of the intercept? So for finding out this, we have find out the formula, that is 2 root over a square into 1 plus m square minus c square by 1 plus m square, right? So here also we will be having three cases in where we have also seen that in the nature of circle we have seen three different cases, that is g square plus f square minus c is equals to 0, g square minus g square plus f square minus c is greater than 0, and g square plus f square minus c is less than 0, right? So like that only we here also will be having three different cases, and those three different cases are: if a square into 1 plus m square minus c square is greater than 0, then the line will meet the circle at two real and different points. What is the line? The line is y is equals to mx plus c is the line, isn't it? Y is equals to mx plus c is the line. So yeah, I hope you understand. Okay, I will be, so let us consider this as a coordinate axis, and this is y is equals to mx plus c. Sorry. Hmm. Let us consider this as y is equals to mx plus c, right? So here we have got that x square plus y square equals to r square. So you can find out that x square plus y square equals to a square means the center of the circle is at origin. Therefore the intercept made by this line would be how much? The length of the intercept that is made by this circle would be how much? That will be 2 root over a square into 1 plus m square minus c square by 1 plus m square. And if a square into 1 plus m square minus c square is greater than 0, then the line will meet at two different and real and different points. And if c square is equals to a square into 1 plus m square, so then the line will only touch the circle, means it will be in such a manner, like this, only touch the circle. And if a square plus a square into 1 plus m square minus c square is less than 0, then the line will meet the circle at two imaginary points. So that's it. So the rest of the part will be covered in next session, because as we are preparing for IIT JEE mains and advanced, we should learn the concept more and more, and we should not leave any point, any single point, any single letter, any single notation. We should not leave. So thank you so much.